Hello friends, this video on the Living World Part 2 is presented by DikshaHub.com. Learn with passion. Topics to be covered in this video are: in the part 1 of this chapter, we have studied characteristics of living things: growth, respiration and excretion. Now, let's discuss the next characteristics: responsiveness to stimuli and movement. Do the animals respond to stimuli? Yes, animals do respond to stimuli. When we served them food, they become active by seeing food. Do the plants also respond to stimuli? When we touch the mimosa plant, the leaves of mimosa immediately close or fold. It means all the living things show the responsiveness to stimuli. The ability of living things to respond to a stimulus is called responsiveness to stimuli. The next characteristics of living thing is reproduction. The process by which living things produce their new living things like itself is called reproduction or procreation. Some birds lay eggs in the nest. Some of the eggs may hatch, and young birds come out of the egg. Some animals give the birth to the young one. It means the mode of reproduction is different in different animals. Now, let's see how plants reproduce other plants. Like animals, the mode of reproduction is different in different plants. Many plants reproduce through seeds which can germinate into new plants. Some plants also reproduce through parts other than seeds, stem, and leaves. For example, when we plant a part of a potato with a bud, it reproduces a new plant. In the picture we can see various stages of potato plant. From this we can say reproduction is the characteristic of living things. The next characteristics of living things is cellular structure. You may have seen the small compartments of a honeycomb. These compartments are joined together to form a honeycomb. Like the honeycomb, body of every organism on the earth is made up of large number of cells. Let's see what is cell. Cell is the basic fundamental and structural unit of every organism. All the actions and processes in the bodies of living things are brought about with the help of these microscopic cells. On this basis, organisms are classified into two types: unicellular organisms and multicellular organisms. Unicellular organism, the living things which are made of single cell, are called unicellular organisms. Multicellular organism, the living things which are made of multiple cell, are called multicellular organisms. Examples of unicellular and multicellular organisms are: examples of unicellular organisms are amoeba, yeast. Examples of multicellular organism: human beings, animals, birds and trees. All characteristics like reproduction, growth, respiration and excretion are seen in every cell of a living thing, whether it is unicellular or multicellular. Hence, cellular structure is the characteristic of living thing. Now, let's discuss our next topic: useful and harmful living things. In our daily life, we use many plants as food and medicinal products. Plants like chili, tomato used as food, whereas plants like avla, neem, tulsi, etc. are used as a medicinal plants. Like plants, animals are also useful to us. Animals like dog, cow, buffaloes are kept for domestic use. Fish, sheep, and fowl are used as food. While animals like horses, oxen, camel are useful in various occupations, and the animals like earthworm is very useful in agriculture. Our next topic is harmful living things. We know animals and plants are useful to a human being. On the other hand, plants and animals are harmful too. Mice, rats destroy foods. The bites of some poisonous spiders, snakes and scorpions can even cause death. Like animals, some plants are also harmful for us. Examples of harmful plants are the dodder, parthenium, etc. Pods of the nettle, Colocasia leaves causes itching. And plants like oleander, lantana have strong odors, whereas the plant like dhatura is poisonous. The uncontrolled growth of fungi and algae in water pollutes drinking water and may cause the spread of diseases. The next topic is wild animals. The animals that hunt other animals for food are called predators. Animals like tiger, lion, cheetah, wolf complete their need of food by hunting animals like deer, giraffe, etc. Sometimes, due to deforestation, animals like tiger, cheetah enter into the human settlements in search of food and may kill domestic animals or people.